Hello guys, today, I am going to show you how to integrate Convertbox with Platform.ly. To sign up for Convertbox, click the link in the description below to try the program or get Convertbox at a discount. Step 1. In the Convertbox dashboard, click on your profile image in the top right-hand corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Select the Integrations tab. Step 3. On the Platform.ly integration, select Connect. Step 4. Open a new window and log into your Platform.ly account. From the Header Profile menu, select API Docs and Keys. Step 5. On the API Settings page you will see your account API key. If you don't see any API keys, you may need to create a new one. Step 6. Go back to the Convertbox integration page for Platform.ly. First, give your account integration a name that will easily identify it, then copy and paste your Platform.ly API key into the field below. Now click Connect to Platform.ly to finish integrating your account.